Welcome to our lecture series in Financial Technical Analysis. So far, we talked about many tools and methods. We talked about what they are and how they are used. Today, we will talk about how to draw them. We will use the TradingView website for our technical analysis charts. Let's start with candlestick chart. We will use daily prices for SPY for our chart. Next, we will draw the Renko chart. Next, we will add the 50-day simple moving average to our candlestick chart. We'll right-click on the moving average line and change its color and choose the number of days. Next, we will draw the Bollinger Bands. We will not change any settings for the Bollinger Bands for this example. However, you can right-click on the Bollinger Bands to change any of the settings you may want to change. Next in line is the Relative Strength Index. Similar to Bollinger Bands, we will not be changing any of the settings for the Relative Strength Index. Next in line is the Moving Average Convergence Divergence study. We will again keep its standard settings intact. If you want to change any settings, you can simply right-click on the study. Our final study is the Fibonacci retracement. It is an easy study to draw. However, the trick with the Fibonacci retracement study is choosing the correct bottom and the correct top of the trend. Thank you for watching our how-to lecture on drawing financial technical analysis studies. See you at the next lecture.